How to enable data encryption on iPhone. Your iPhone's data encryption setting is likely already turned on if you have either a passcode or Face ID enabled. Here's how you can see if your data is protected and what to do if it isn't. 1. Open the Settings app on iPhone. 2. Scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. 3. Enter your passcode. 4. Make sure Turn Passcode Off is visible. This means your passcode is currently enabled and your iPhone's data encryption is active when it's locked. 5. Scroll to the bottom of the page. If you see that Data Protection is Enabled message, your iPhone's data is being protected and is now more difficult for attackers to access. If you don't see this message, double-check to make sure that your passcode is enabled. You may find it inconvenient at times to use a passcode, but it's required for the iPhone's data encryption process to work properly.